These are the Dollar Tree finds everyone is going to be looking for in a few weeks, after they're already gone. January is when the smartest deals quietly hit the shelves, before demand spikes, before seasonal price jumps, and before social media catches on. If you know what to grab now, you save real money later, and you avoid that frustrating moment of realizing the item you needed was right there all along. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you love practical finds, smart shopping and stretching every dollar without sacrificing quality, you're in the right place. Make sure you like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next, because these monthly lists can save you more than you realize over time. Let's get into exactly what you should be buying at Dollar Tree right now. Item number 1, Vapor Shower Steamers. January is peak cold, flu and sinus season, and this is one of those small purchases that makes a big difference when you're feeling run down. Dollar Tree has vapor shower steamers infused with eucalyptus that activate the moment hot water hits them. You place one on the shower floor, let the steam rise, and suddenly your entire bathroom fills with that sharp clearing scent that helps you breathe deeper and feel human again. It turns an ordinary shower into something that feels intentional and restorative, especially on mornings when congestion or fatigue hits hard. What makes these especially worth grabbing now is the value. Dollar Tree sells them in a 3-pack for around $1.50, while big box stores charge significantly more for fewer tablets. At places like Target or CVS, similar steamers often go for $7 to $10 for a smaller pack. Functionally, there's no meaningful difference. They dissolve the same way, release the same kind of vapor, and deliver the same relief, which makes this one of those swaps that just makes sense financially. This is also the kind of item people only think about once they're already sick, and by then shelves are usually empty. I keep these stocked all winter, not just for congestion but for stressful days when you need something calming and grounding. Even when you're not sick, the eucalyptus steam helps you relax, reset and start or end your day on a better note. It's an easy win, and one of the smartest winter buys at Dollar Tree right now. Item number 2. Glass meal prep containers. If you're trying to eat better, save money, or stop relying on takeout this year, this is one of the most practical purchases you can make in January. Dollar Tree's glass meal prep containers are sturdy, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe, with snap-on lids that actually hold. Unlike flimsy plastic containers that stain, warp, or hold smells, these feel solid and intentional. They're perfect for portioning meals, packing lunches, and keeping leftovers organized, without that cluttered fridge look. The real advantage is how quickly these change your routine. When healthy food is already portioned and visible, you're far more likely to stick with it. These containers stack neatly, reheat evenly, and move easily from fridge to microwave without extra dishes. At $1.50 each, they cost a fraction of what you'd pay elsewhere, and they sell out fast once people catch on. If you see them in store now, grab more than you think you need. This is one of those items you'll use daily, and wish you had stocked up on sooner. Item number 3. Fleece throw blankets. Winter comfort doesn't have to come with a high price tag, and this is one of the best examples of that. Dollar Tree Plus has fleece throw blankets for $5, and the newer January styles are much nicer than most people expect. They're soft, warm, and surprisingly well made, not thin or scratchy like cheap throws often are. Whether it's for the couch, a desk chair, or the end of your bed, this is the kind of blanket you actually reach for every day. What really makes this a smart buy right now is how it helps cut down on heating costs without sacrificing comfort. Adding a throw lets you stay warm without constantly adjusting the thermostat, and over the course of winter, that adds up. Comparable blankets at big box stores easily cost $15 to $20, sometimes more. For $5, this is an easy upgrade that makes your home feel cozier instantly, and once colder weather lingers, these tend to disappear fast. Item number 4. Expandable drawer dividers. January is when most people feel the urge to reset their space, and this is one of the simplest tools to make that actually happen. Dollar Tree's expandable drawer dividers are adjustable, sturdy, and designed to fit most standard drawers. They instantly create structure where there was none, turning chaotic drawers into organized, usable spaces. Utensils stop sliding around. Random items finally have a place, and opening a drawer no longer feels stressful or messy. What makes these such a standout is how expensive this solution usually is elsewhere. Stores like the Container Store sell nearly identical dividers for around $8 each, and you often need several just to organize one drawer. At Dollar Tree you can completely reorganize a kitchen, bathroom vanity, or desk for a fraction of that cost. This is one of those purchases that doesn't just look good, it makes daily routines smoother, faster, and more enjoyable, which is exactly what a good January reset should do. Item number 5, Magic Eraser Sponges. January is when deep cleaning finally happens, and this is one of the easiest ways to get visible results fast. Dollar Tree's Magic Eraser style sponges are made from melamine foam, the same material used in the name brand versions. They activate with just water and lift dirt, scuffs and build up that regular sponges leave behind. Walls, baseboards, light switches, sinks, tubs, and even sneaker soles come clean with very little effort, which makes tackling overdue cleaning jobs feel far less overwhelming. The value here is almost ridiculous. Dollar Tree sells a 2-pack for about $1.25, while the name brand version runs around $5 for the same amount. I've used these side by side, and there's no noticeable difference in performance. They wear down the same way and clean just as effectively. This is one of those quiet swaps that saves money every single time you restock, and once you start keeping them on hand, you'll wonder why you ever paid more. Item number 6, Garden Seed Packets. This one surprises people every year, because January doesn't feel like gardening season, but it's actually the smartest time to buy. Dollar Tree puts out a wide selection of garden seed packets right now, including vegetables, herbs, and flowers, all at a very low price. Once spring gets closer, these displays shrink fast, and by the time most people are ready to plant, they're completely gone. Buying early gives you more variety and zero pressure. Planning ahead also sets you up for a smoother growing season. Starting seeds indoors lets plants establish stronger roots before they ever touch outdoor soil, which often leads to better yields later on. Even if you're a beginner, having seeds ready makes the idea of gardening feel more achievable instead of rushed. This is one of those quiet, forward-thinking purchases that pays off months later, and Dollar Tree is one of the most affordable places to make that investment. Item number 7, Dishwasher Cleaner Tablets. This is one of those household tasks almost everyone forgets about, even though it directly affects how clean your dishes actually get. Over time, grease, soap residue, hard water minerals, and food particles build up inside your dishwasher, even if it looks clean on the surface. Dollar Tree's dishwasher cleaner tablets are designed to break down that hidden buildup, clear out odors, and reset your machine so it can function the way it's supposed to. You simply run one tablet in an empty dishwasher on a hot cycle, and it does the work for you. What makes this such a smart buy is how much these cleaners usually cost elsewhere. Name brands like a Fresh charge around $8 for a 6-pack, while Dollar Tree offers 6 tablets for a fraction of that price. Using one monthly helps extend the life of your dishwasher, improves cleaning performance, and prevents that sour smell that slowly creeps in without warning. It's preventative maintenance that feels small but saves money long term, and January is the perfect time to build habits like this into your routine before problems start showing up. Item number 8, Solar Pathway Lights. This is one of those items that rewards people who think ahead. Dollar Tree puts out solar pathway lights long before most people are thinking about outdoor upgrades, and that timing is exactly why you should grab them now. These lights charge during the day, turn on automatically at night, and require no wiring, tools, or ongoing costs. They're perfect for lining walkways, defining garden edges, or adding subtle lighting around patios and decks, instantly making outdoor spaces feel more polished and intentional. What really makes these a standout buy is availability. Once spring hits and everyone suddenly wants outdoor lighting, these are some of the first items to disappear. At $1.50 each, you can buy enough to actually make an impact without overspending, while similar lights at home improvement stores cost several times more per unit. Buying them in January means you're ready the moment the weather warms up, and instead of scrambling or paying more later, your yard is already set up and glowing. Item number 9. Silicone baking cups. If you're into meal prep, portion control, or just making baking easier, silicone baking cups are an absolute game changer. Dollar Tree has 12-pack sets for only $1.25, and they're reusable, non-stick, and come in multiple colors. Unlike paper liners that tear, soak through, or get used once and thrown away, these silicone cups hold up to repeated use and make cleaning up a breeze. They're not just for muffins and cupcakes. They work perfectly for mini frittatas, portioned snacks, or even freezing single servings of sauces or chopped fruits. The real value here is how versatile and cost-effective they are. On Amazon or at specialty kitchen stores, a pack this size can easily run $10 or more, making Dollar Tree's version an instant bargain. I use these every Sunday to prep breakfast for the week, and they've already paid for themselves many times over. Even if you only bake occasionally, having a set of these makes portioning, baking, and storing food so much easier, and it's one of those purchases you'll genuinely use over and over without thinking twice. Item number 10. Microwavable heating pad. This is one of those comfort items you don't realize you need until it's in your hands. Dollar Tree Plus carries microwavable heating pads for $5, and they're lavender-scented, reusable, and stay warm for about 20 to 30 minutes. They're perfect for sore muscles, stiff necks, back pain, menstrual cramps, or just warming up cold feet on a chilly night. Unlike traditional electric heating pads, there's no cord, no outlet needed, and you can take them anywhere: bed, couch, or even your desk at work. The real beauty of this buy is the value. Heating pads at drugstores or online typically run $20 to $30, and often they don't even offer the same portability or soothing scent. I keep one on my nightstand, and 2 minutes in the microwave, and I'm set, instantly warm and relaxed. It's one of those small, affordable purchases that adds daily comfort without costing a fortune, and once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. For anyone dealing with winter aches, or just wanting a little self-care upgrade, this is a must-grab item. Bonus item: multipurpose storage bins. Here's a bonus pick that doesn't always get the spotlight, but is one of the most practical Dollar Tree finds in January. These multipurpose storage bins are sturdy, come in different sizes, and can be used anywhere from closets and pantries to craft rooms, garages, or even car trunks. They're perfect for corralling small items, keeping seasonal gear organized, or just reducing the visual clutter that builds up over the holidays. For $1 or $2 each, they let you create an instant functional system without spending a fortune on big storage solutions. What makes these especially valuable right now is timing. Post-holiday clutter is at its peak, and January is the perfect month to reset and reorganize your space before the year fully kicks in. I personally use a few in my pantry for snacks, baking supplies, and odds and ends, and it completely changed how easy it is to find things. They're simple, affordable, and versatile, one of those purchases that quietly makes life smoother every single day. If you see them in store, grab several. They disappear fast once people realize how useful they are. And there you have it, my top 10 Dollar Tree picks for January 2026. Plus one bonus item that I guarantee will make your life just a little bit easier. From wellness boosts like the vapor shower steamers and microwavable heating pads, to practical organization tools like drawer dividers and storage bins, these are all items that combine real value with everyday usefulness. What makes them even better is that they won't break the bank, and many of them tend to sell out quickly once people catch on, so grabbing them now is a smart move. If you found this list helpful, take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Each month Dollar Tree brings in new seasonal and practical items, and being among the first to know about them can save you time, money, and frustration. I love sharing these finds because small purchases like these can make a bigger difference than people realize, from making your home cozier, to keeping you organized, to even improving your daily routine. Finally, don't forget to leave a comment, letting me know which of these items you're grabbing first, or if you've discovered your own hidden Dollar Tree gem. Sharing your finds helps the whole community shop smarter, and it's always fun to see what other people are loving each month. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next video with even more smart budget-friendly finds you won't want to miss.